Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So my name is Facia and today we're going to be doing cornrow braids. First thing you need is your comb and we're going to be parting out the section of the hair that we're going to be cornrowing or braiding. Some people call it braids as well, but it's fine. In Jamaica we said cornrow. Okay, so we're going to be, all right, a little background. I don't know how to explain it in words fully, because I myself is a visual learner. So what I'm gonna do is try my best to explain what I'm doing, but I'm gonna be showing you two cornrows, so in case you don't get it, you can always back tap on the video so you can follow that exact step, or you can watch the other cornrow. But I'm learning. Okay, so I'm taking the section out where I'm gonna be cornrowing. I'm gonna be clipping off any hair that we're not gonna be needed because you don't want it in the way. Also, I'm gonna take down this little braid I had in the back so I have more space or more room to cornrow on. Okay, so with every style, you want to make sure that the hair is fully detangled so that you have no lumps. And then we are gonna begin. So you think of cornrow like a what do you call that, like a braid, like a braid, continuous braid or a continuous plait. So you're gonna be taking the hair in 3 pieces like a plait. You can start off by plaiting those 3 pieces, and to gather the rest of the hair you're gonna pull it. Oh my god, this is terrible. Listen, as I'm plaiting each or doing a continuous plait or braid, I pull the rest of the hair in the back with it. Does that make sense? I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm gonna shut up now and I'm gonna just let you watch for yourself and let me know in the comments if you get it. I'm sorry. Okay, so here I am doing another one for you. So hopefully you've got the hang of it and you can keep practicing. I never get it on my first try. I was like a kid at that time, and I keep doing it over and over until I fully get it. So don't worry if you don't get it at the first time. You'll definitely get it, and very soon too. Just keep practicing. So here I am taking away the hair again, and we are about to start. Let me see again. Let me try this. Explaining it again. Okay, so we're gonna comb out the hair, and then we're gonna be taking, all right, oh, I did a different one this time. Okay, so I'm gonna be starting off by plaiting the first part of the braid, or the cornrow. So you part this piece in 3, 1, 2, 3, okay, and then you're gonna start a braid or start a plait, and then you're gonna be, oh, I see. So this is kind of like a stitch braid, but if you can learn to cornrow this way also. So what I did was keep pulling pieces as I, oh my gosh, okay. Alright, so I grabbed as I continue to braid back, I grab pieces in the back and it all come together. Listen, I'm gonna stop talking right now. So thank you for coming all the way to the end of the video. I do hope that you get this method of cornrowing, or at least you'd get an understanding of how to start cornrowing. I'm sorry I'm not good with words and explaining what I do with my hands, but gradually we'll learn together. I'll learn how to explain, and you'll definitely learn how to get it done too. Alright, so I want to thank you guys for watching my video. Please remember to subscribe if you have not subscribed as yet, and if you are a part of the beautiful gang, thank you so much, and I'm looking forward to see you soon. So this is what our braids are looking like. Not bad. I guess you can try start the braid in the front process, or you just go ahead with the first method, but either way I'm sure you're gonna be doing just fine, and I'll find more ways and do some more research on how to get it in words for you. Bye.